So, I've been on an 8-day cruise. This is the last evening of the cruise, so I'm getting all my things together to start packing for disembarkment. But you're on this video because you want to hear what I have to say. I'm running down the top bags that I carry throughout this 8-day vacation. We're going to talk about those bags that worked and those that did not work. This is going to lead me to make some decisions about whether I need to buy a replacement bag, and maybe you can help me with that. Or if I need to niche a bag that I have been carrying. All right, guys, this is going to be very exciting. So stay tuned. We'll be right back. So here we go, everyone. I'm going to start out from the beginning. I never have a really good place where I can put my jewelry where it doesn't get all tangled. So when I pack my jewelry this time, I use these, don't laugh, but I use these little inserts here, and they are inserts from my LVPM planner. And I put all of my earrings in these pouches here. But let me tell you, it made it so much easier for me to access my jewelry every day of the cruise. And I hung this on the wall. Don't have a bag for this. So that is one thing I will be looking at is what sort of bag can I use to carry my jewelry so it does not get tangled. Along with that, I wear an Apple Watch and I am often changing the colors of my bands, and I wasn't sure what I would be wearing, so I carried my metal rose gold band, the blue, my gray, green, another like a royal blue. I also have my red, and this is kind of a peachy color. So I would carry this, and I would like to carry both of these in one bag. So I will be looking for a small bag that I can use when I'm packing for vacation so that my jewelry stays separated and I can carry all of this in one bag. Now, this is a fairly new product for me. This is the Dooney book. It's a cosmetic pouch and it's a clear pouch. And this is a 10 out of 10. This works so well for me. So well for me. So I'll tell you what I had in here. I had some cotton swabs in here, and I didn't get my nails done, so I wanted to carry some polish with me. So I got some Sally Hansen, this is blue. I don't know if it has a name. Okay, Up in the Clouds blue. And all of this is Insta Dry. So I wanted something that dried really quickly. So I have the Insta Blue. I also have this Beating Heart. It's like a hot pink fuchsia. And I got this yellow. And what is this? This is called my Cabana. My Cabana. This yellow. Oh my God, this is pretty too. And I also picked up some clear top and base coat from Sally Hansen. I have this white on time. I really love this white. It really only took one coat to cover the nail with that. I like a little sparkling, so I brought my Essie Gold sequence polish, and I wasn't sure if I would use silver or gold, so I brought the silver as well. And because I knew I would be in a rush, I also brought this from Simple Colors. This is just a quick dry that you just polish on once you finish all your top coats as well. I got one down in here, but a couple of Q-tips to clean up my nail beds if I get polish in the wrong places. I also have this nail polish correction. I don't know if you can see that. You may not be able to try to focus it a bit, but this pen, oh my gosh, it's a lifesaver. So if you think about whiteout, this is what this does. It just removes any of the polish on your fingers if it goes places that you don't want it to go. Of course, an emery board, and I have another nail polish remover. I have cuticle pens. This one is a lavender and keratin. This is by Smoke and Mirrors. I got this from the Five and Below store. And this one is a different scent, which is citrus and coconut. It came in a pack of 4. So these two, and then 2 other cuticle oils. And then I have all my tools to make sure that I give myself a nice manicure in these as well. So all of this fit in this bag. So, and I, as you can see, I just used the white. I didn't use all the other colors with the sparkly silver, but my sister, her nails was chipping and she did her nails right before we went on an excursion. So this worked out. I just packed this little bag, took it down, and after we ate breakfast, she did her nails, and then she gave me the bag back, and we were pretty much through. So this, I'm very, very pleased with this bag. So thank you, Dooney and Bolt, for that. Dooney also came through for me with this cosmetic pouch. It is in the pebble leather. It's the red and the pebble leather, and it held all of my cosmetics. I have this Ariana Grande, her scent. Let's see, I kind of wore out that bottom part, but this, oh God, that smells really, really good. So I wanted something small to carry. I have a Fenty lip liner here. I have a mirror in here. They have some Clorox wipes to clean off areas. Some Perel wipes for your hands. A little lotion. I have a little face cleaner here. An ink pen. I don't know why I have that in a cosmetic bag, but I have a contour stick here. This is just by LA Colors. This is by NYX, and this is a lip liner in black. Have my little manicure set here. I guess that can go in other bags, but this is a eyeliner, Fenty Beauty eyeliner here. I have tweezers, Fenty mascara. This is a Fenty eyebrow pencil. I love this. It has 2 sides, has a little brush on this end, and then this end is the actual eyeliner. And as a backup, I have this pomade. And I don't normally, when I get my eyebrows threaded, but if I want to get some fullness to it, I'll use this pomade as well, and I have a brush. And then lastly, I have a Fenty sharpener for my lip liner. So all of that fits. So this is a 10 out of 10 as well. So we have 2 items that are a 10 out of a 10 that we use throughout, not we, I use throughout the week. All right, so here's a big one. Now, this one, I have no idea who made this. I don't even know where I got it from, but this is where I need your help. This is a belt bag. I have been looking to replace this because it is worn. The zipper is coming apart here. You can see that because when I go on a cruise, I always carry these because it has so much room in it. I've seen belt bags that do not have as many compartments as this one. So I am looking for a replacement bag. I did see one, I believe Dooney had one, but it only had the one pocket, I believe it was. But I'm in search of one. So let me show you everything that I carry in this. This I carry just about every day. So in my back pocket is, I have some cash and I have my lippy in the back part here. In the next section, I have my power bank. This definitely came in handy. And here's some coupons that Carnival gave me for Shutterfly. In here, this little, reuse this packet, but this is my wireless microphone I have for my phone. I also have my Touchland. This is the Power Mist scent. Smells really good. I picked this up on vacation, and this one, I got this, I believe, from Turks and Caicos, and this is, it has little, can't focus this very, okay, there we go, little sections for pills, and then here, it's a mirror. This is my headphones I had here. I had this in a little pouch though. I don't know why I had two sets of lip gloss, but I have another one here. I have my AirPods. I have a Coach ink pen here, a set of contact lenses, and a couple of coins, 2 pennies there. Then we're gonna go to the third slot. So one, two, and this is the third slot on my in my bag. Oh my goodness. This lip card wallet from Coach, it did its thing. It really did. It was so easy just to have everything where I needed. And this, whatever bag I carried, I had this little wallet where I would have my ID, and in here, I would have whatever card I was using and some cash I would put in this middle section. This worked wonders. And then also I had some picks in here. These are a winter mint picks. I'm not quite sure where I picked these up from, but it came in a little case, so these worked. So this bag, now what I didn't show you, oh, there's another pick, is that this bag also, I'll give you a pretty close up, is that it has a next pocket here, and on this side it has I just really look how I just worn this. I'm just wearing this bag. It's a card slot here, and then there's another zipper pocket here, and then you got another pocket here. Oh, actually I didn't go to this one, where I carry some little mints, candies in here. So lots of space in those two areas. So if you have any recommendations, please let me know. I would love to find either another one of these or another brand that may carry something similar to this that I can put all of my essentials in and don't have to worry about it when I'm on vacation. It's just easy access. Normally the one someone is asking, do you have this and do you have that? So I'm the do you have person. So I need to have quick access to everything so it doesn't interrupt our vacation. So grab some of this stuff and put it in here. And that little, if you can see that little blue, that's actually a necklace of my niece's, and it broke while we were at a show. And I promised her that I would fix the length. So I'll have to do that sometime tonight. So I will be doing that for the niecey poo. All right, one of my other bags we have is my Coach Nolita. I carried this bag on the nights where it was formal nights. I can, and this one has the silver accents, but I needed it a little longer. So, and I really didn't mind about the two-tone chain. So I use this gold chain to give it a little more length so I can use it as a shoulder bag. And if you know about Nolitas, this one I actually still have a cord in there, and I have another set of earrings in here as well. So I carried this instead of the waist bag when I needed when we had to go out for formal dinner. This little Coach Rowan, the mini, it also came in handy. I was able to carry my AirPods in here and a little lippy, a card, and some cash. So if I had on a pair of shorts with a belt link, I would carry this on my belt link, and this worked wonders. This I was so glad that I brought this. This is actually my journal, and I use this to kind of write down some of the things that was going on during the week so that I can have some memories of that, and I'll be able to do some content from what I have written in there. Now, this is another, it's just this bag I got from an event that I went to, and it's just I mean, it's a very simple bag. It's cute and pink. I still don't know what this little, I mean, it has a singed corner here. I guess I don't know what that's for, but I didn't really tighten it there. So this bag I would use when I was going down to sit in either on the balcony or sit to drink some coffee. And this is where I would carry my book that I was reading with me, sit in the corner and read. I also had these little wipes which came in handy because my grandson, he just is hot. He sweats really a lot. So these cool cloths, they were so helpful. And then we have some wet ones to clean our hands off. Had the EOS lotion, and then a Johnson and Johnson. I don't think you can see that, but trust me here. This is a Johnson and Johnson first aid kit. We have some band-aids in here. I have some Advil, some more band-aids, and cleanser wipes, some gauges just in case um, something happens. So we have this little kit as well. So whenever we went on an excursion or we got off of the ship, I would use this bag and put all of my essentials in this bag. So I also will be looking for some type of replacement for this bag. So to wrap it all up, just day to day, the most used bags, number one, would be the waist bag. This bag was definitely 10 out of 10 for use. It is just on its last leg, and we need to get a replacement for this. So, looking for recommendations on here. Just this was definitely a 10 out of 10. Not the most used because, once you polish your nails, you're done. But it did what it needed to do. This bag, number three, held all the cosmetics well. I didn't unpack this bag. I had some other cosmetics in the bathroom that I unpacked, but these stayed in this cosmetic bag. So it held up pretty well. So this is, I would say, this is number two. So number one, number two. Number three, this was great for those night outs. This I love, but sometimes it gets a little bulky when you attach it to something. So, and I was always afraid that I would lose it. So, I probably wouldn't carry this with everything that I'm doing on it. I just think I would lose it. So I was a little concerned about that. And again, this little rain nylon bag worked very well, but I do need a tote that is okay with getting wet, that I can throw some things in. Now I had a Neverfull, a GM Neverfull, but those straps, they just killed my shoulders. I just couldn't do it. So I just need a replacement tote bag that would replace this. I'm pausing because I'm wondering because I've seen these. The I believe it is the Long Champs. So maybe I'll look into that because maybe that's what I need, like a Long Champ bag. I'll look into it. So, I don't know if you ever have an opportunity to just kind of look at all the bags and accessories that you bring on a vacation with you. But if you do, let me know what your top three are and help me out if you think there are other bags that I can possibly use and I don't have to have so many of them. All right. Thank you all. I am signing off. This is Mrs. DLC with your handbag content.